guess what? We're vlogging. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But anyway, it's another work from home day for me. Yay! I'm really loving my new office policy, you guys. I can take a couple of work from home days now every month, and I don't know. I think it's basically because of the last couple of vlogs. Every time now I take a work from home day, my mind automatically wants to vlog. So I'm vlogging and I have my laptop right there. I have to send a couple of emails. I've just sent them, but one of my priorities today is to clean the house. If you're a working woman, then you will feel my pain. As much as I clean my house, I mean, I really cannot clean my house every day, you know. I tidy a lot, I mop and I broom and I do the dishes as and when possible. But it's not like spick and span, and especially on weekends and work from home days, I really want to put some, you know, love into my house by cleaning the counter and things like that. I mean, it just makes me feel awesome that day. Anyway, if you're wondering, Vicky just left to office and he was also running very late today for some reason. So let me show you guys what my kitchen looks like right now. This is really embarrassing. I shouldn't even be showing you guys, but look at the mess. And the floor, there are a bunch of plastic bags. I took a few things out of them to cook with yesterday. There were vegetables in them. So this is what the kitchen setup looks like. Not tidy at all, and I'm gonna do it now. I mean, my office timings has officially not started, so I am on a head start by sending in a couple of emails. So I don't think anyone should bother me for at least another hour or so. So I'm gonna just quickly clean my house. Also, oh my god, this thing, you know, Vicky just recently found this online. I really don't know where, but how cool. And this is what it looks like. This is our living room. Okay, this is making my camera go super weird. Anyway, that is my calling bell thing. But yeah, how cool. It's clean, it's spick, it's span. I have a little coffee going on here because I feel like I need to treat myself after cleaning the entire kitchen. I just finished cleaning. I feel amazing. I know a lot of guys generally ask me when I show the cleaning bits in my vlog, like why I don't hire help or something. I really don't know on a day-to-day basis, because mine is a 1 BHK and then it's just me and Vicky living here. The house or the place does not get so dirty considering Vicky is a neat freak. Trust me, he loves cleaning and to be clean even more than me. So yeah, the place generally stays clean. About 9:30 now. If I don't do any yoga now, I will not get it done at all. I'm hungry, so I wanna get my yoga and at least 15 minutes of meditation done before I can eat. Anyway, if you're wondering, this is a brand new yoga mat. It's from Decathlon. It has this gorgeous kind of like a leafy kind of a print, and it is specially for high intensity yoga. It's 8mm1. I'll link it down below if any of you are interested in doing yoga, and especially if you have like very tender knees or knees that are hurt. And I got it from the money I earned from working out last time. If you guys don't remember, in my previous plan your workout with me video, I had told that I maintain like a tally of my workout, and for every day I work out I put in like $100 to shop. And this month or last month I was pretty consistent with my workout. I felt like I had earned a significant chunk of money, so I put it on this yoga mat. Anyway, I'm gonna try some fundamentals of Ashtanga yoga, because some of the things I'm really not getting it right, so I'm gonna try it now, and yeah, hopefully I'll get better soon. Whoa, you guys, that was exhausting. Sorry I'm growling at you, but really that jumping back and jumping through was so hard on my core. I mean, I don't really know how many of you know about Ashtanga yoga. I had actually linked it in both of my last 2 vlogs, but I was having difficulty trying to jump through and jump back. Not that I'm the most flexible person or the most balanced person or anything, but today I kind of dedicated it to just doing that, because I was kind of not feeling the motivation to work out. That is also probably because I skipped working out yesterday. I find that if I skip working out one day, then I will wanna skip the next day as well. But enough about that, that's not even what we're talking today. But yeah, that basic workout was like grueling on my abs. Like my abs are hurting, and so are my arms, because they had to kind of take on the full weight of my body, I think. But hopefully very soon I'll be able to do either jump back or jump through, but I'm gonna practice them a lot. But yeah, having said that, I think I'm gonna go hit the shower now, because it is hot. I'm sweaty and feeling very icky. It has certainly been a while since I last vlogged. I mean, I got some pretty urgent work that I had to finish. I finished that, I had my breakfast, and I also had my lunch. It is very nearly 5 o'clock now, and since I was home the whole day, I feel like I need the outside, you know, some sun, some air. So I've just stepped out of the house. I am sitting in my portico and I am about to do some watercoloring. Since a couple of days I've actually been missing coloring and painting and drawing. You know, I used to be this kind of person who used to do a lot of this, especially before the wedding. But after the wedding, well, life happened. I got super busy, but of late I'm consciously taking the time out to do that. Not only because it kind of like calms me down, but it also brings a sense of self to me. You know what I mean? If you're somebody who's always loved singing, and imagine if you had to suddenly stop singing, I mean, it's not going to change who you are, but it's an integral part of who you are. Okay, sorry about the truck if you can hear that. But yeah, when you get back into it, you feel so much more like yourself. And also, you know, I genuinely feel like no one should give up on their hobbies and passions. So I am somebody who's always been I can say pretty decent at drawing and painting right from school. I've not been trained by any professional, and I'm definitely not a professional or anything. I just want to throw it out there. But yeah, I have had some pretty good teachers. I also had an uncle who was like amazing at painting. So yeah, I've just been kind of given guidelines by these guys. So just to wind the day down, I mean, this is something I've been doing every day. Every evening just before unwinding, I've been trying to do something that I genuinely enjoy doing, like painting, or it could be drawing, or it could just be writing, you know. I mean, I'm a writer by profession, and it is something I really enjoy. I write poems as well. If you guys saw my Kerala vlog, well, it had a poem in there. That was the narration. So yeah, of late I've kind of been enjoying my creative side, and it is something I've missed, but not anymore. I'm more committed to like let my creative side out.